Through Nomad City. I signed up for Nomad City and then I saw that you guys are sponsoring it or involved in it somehow, and I looked you guys up. Because I'm really interested in the digital nomadic lifestyle, and I thought this would be a good way to kind of get started, learn about it. Yes, a lot of fun, a lot of good people, a lot of fun experiences, and a lot of laughs, for sure. Yeah, I definitely learned some new skills, technical stuff, but also just kind of lifestyle skills and ideas and perspectives. It's hard to choose. Definitely the more sports-oriented, like surfing and hiking, that kind of stuff was really fun for me. Just the dinner we had the other night at the restaurant was really amazing. Just being around awesome people, yeah. I think it's something I kind of knew, but just to implement it is just being open, talking to people, being open to learning things, and also being open to the fact that you can also offer something to other people. Yeah, definitely, for sure. It would definitely help. So I have a plan to focus on specifically Facebook ads after having a conversation with one of the mentors to get myself started financially and also learn a new skill. And then in terms of my actual project and business idea, I definitely have some plans and some things I have to clarify and think about as well. So, yeah. Why I would recommend, I think it's just a good way to, well, definitely meet people, like-minded people, which is really important. And it's just a really good way to stay focused and kind of have something a little bit more intense where you're really kind of focusing on connections and things like that, but also your work and self-development.